going on, everybody? Coming back at you with the Shenanigans episode of Mini Mayhem Fall 2021. There's going to be a lot of dirt bikes and drag strips in this episode.
Lock the 450 up. There's a lot more faster shit than me.
John recently picked up a Suzuki 450 dirt bike, and Matt has been dying to ride it.
Let's go.
Matt explained to me later that that bike wanted to stand up in every gear going down the drag strip.
Pick up a rock.
Later on, me and Mikey ran into John in the trophy truck, and we were just like, meh, let's see what happens. Turns out this little China bike can actually keep up with the trophy truck. I was pretty proud of myself.
Woo, buddy! Hey, John. That was close. Hey, there we go. John and them just showed up. All right, throw it.
The little Chinese bike actually did pretty well. It hung with John in the trophy truck until about the middle of fourth gear, and I could keep up with Mikey on his LTZ 450. Of course, when you don't have somebody to flag, throw a rock. When it hits the ground, go.
I didn't even see him do that.
It's finally time to do something we've been looking forward to for months. A head-to-head with the China bikes versus the Honda CRF 230. John's bike is out of commission due to carburetor issues, so it'll just be me and Matt this go-round. We used the 450 as a chase bike because, let's face it, it would smoke anything out here. Who's that up front?
Woo! Yeah, baby! I rode behind you to get all the applesauce on camera.
Hey, how bad was it?
Huh?
How bad was it? I couldn't see it.
About 3 leagues. Yeah.
Since I am literally the smallest rider here, me and Matt decided it was only fair that we switch bikes to see if my weight was maybe a contributing factor.
I'm riding behind y'all to get it recorded.
Hey, how bad was it on Chris?
They're about even. They about, yeah.
So now Matt's riding the EGL, I'm riding the KO, and Chris is still on the Honda. So our final decision is that the EGL 250 is a faster bike. However, the KO is a more comfortable and more reliable bike. Well, here's something you don't see every day. We've seen some crazy things at Busco Beach, but never have we seen not one, not two, but 3 cross carts.
I was going to do a walk around of it real quick, if that's okay. Cool.
I got a driver brief for you, too.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, so KJ Raycing brought out these. These are home-built cross carts. He actually sells the plans for them, and these things are awesome. Budget builds, but really it's all up to you as far as what kind of money you want to spend. This one has a Polaris 500, and I just got informed that I'm going to be driving this one, so I'm freaking stoked. This one I believe has a KTM, and that one is a Yamaha 600. I am super excited for this. I've got to sit down and go through a driving briefing and all that, and then I'm going to take it for a good old-fashioned ripski, so let's do it. All right, so got my little safety briefing. We're going to pop this bad boy on here. There it is. Give me a little push back. Not sure where I need to be going. Okay. I'll cut that. Man, there's not a lot of clutch on that, is there?
Nope.
Okay.
When you take off, just do a big nasty burnout.
In here?
Stay on the gas, just do a big nasty burnout. Once you're rolling, you can let back off.
10-4.
It's just easier.
Okay, let's see. Okay, we're in neutral. Oh my god, this is gonna be so fun.
So after making sure the coast was clear, it was finally time to take this thing out for a ripski. But I had to do something real quick. I had to make sure the boys saw me driving this thing, because they needed to know we're gonna build one.
Yo! Somebody's got to review this thing, because we're gonna build one.
Shh, there he is again. It was time to put that little Polaris to work. However, I needed to keep a couple things in mind. This ain't mine, and I've never drove it.
Freaking gnarly! I'm not sure where the beginning of the track is.
I wanted to drive this thing like I stole it. However, this was my first time driving it. It wasn't mine, and I'm pretty sure Kyle wouldn't appreciate me breaking his cross cart. The moral of the story is, if you can't afford to replace something, don't drive it like you can. I could tell Kyle had put a lot of time and effort into the R&D on this cross cart. Nothing felt loose, it handled everything perfectly, the gearing was great, just nothing janky about it. It felt like a solidly built cross cart.
Oh my, this thing's amazing. I'm not gonna cut up too much in it because it's not mine. I want one of these so bad. We're getting one of these. Oh my god, I'm shaking. This thing is amazing.
You're shaking.
Oh,
You're shaking.
oh yeah. Oh my god, dude. Oh yeah. Dude, it handles like a dream. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting, you know, with the sand and everything.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
This is the slow one.
Oh my god. This is all I need. This is what, the Polaris 500?
I try to tell everybody that all the time.
Yeah, everybody on the Facebook page is always talking 1,000 cc's.
Yeah, they can have it.
Yeah.
That's all I need right there. 500 cc's in it to win it. I'm good. I think I peed. Okay, so that was probably the best mini mayhem that we've ever been to. And we've been to all of them. And that little bit with the cross carts, yeah, you'll be seeing those again. Kyle from KJ Raycing actually sells the plans. You'll have a link down here, so somewhere down meow. I'll also have a link in the description. You can buy your own set of plans. I picked up a set myself, so we will be building one. Probably turn it into a wintertime project. We're still figuring out what kind of driveline we're going to use. And a big thank you to Kyle and the crew from KJ Raycing for allowing us to test ride these cross carts. Chris actually drove the Polaris as well. Unfortunately, we ran out of card space and it didn't record. So he got into it a little bit better than I did, as I was told later. But like I said, it's not mine. I wasn't going to tear it up. But when I build one, oh yeah, it's on. But if you haven't already, you can like and subscribe. Make sure you use the link in the description to pick up a t-shirt from Mini Bike Apparel. And until next time, y'all get up, get out there, and get after it.